Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back if you're a regular, and if you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to blend in your eyeshadow using just one eyeshadow color, okay, just to achieve this look here. Let's get into it. Okay, firstly, you just want to dab your eyes with a beauty blender to remove any oils from your eyes. Now, we're going to take your concealer and just put a little bit over your eyelid, or if you have an eyeshadow base, you can use that as well. Just blend it in a little bit, as this will help with making sure that your eyeshadow color pops. Now choose the eyeshadow palette that you'll be using. I'm using a random palette that I got from a beauty store, and I'll be working with this purple glittery color today. You want to use a semi-flat brush. Okay, as you can see, I just zoomed in so that you guys can see what I'm doing clearly. What I'm doing is, with the eyeshadow brush, I'm patting on the product onto my eyelid. Patting it on. I'm not brushing it on. Just pat the product on until you reach your crease. You now use a fluffy brush that looks just like so. With your fluffy brush, go around the edges of your eyeshadow in a circular motion. Do not pick up any product, just go around the edges, just like so. This helps with creating a very smooth edge and not a fine defined line. When you are done, just take a makeup wipe to wipe away any fallout underneath your eyes. Now put on some eyeliner, some mascara, just to make sure your eyes pop out a little bit more. And now, to take our eye look to another level, I'm just going to add a golden or silvery shimmery color around the teardrop. This step is totally optional, you don't have to do it, but if you want to give it a little bit more spiciness, just do this step. want my eyes to pop out a little bit more as I will not be wearing lashes, so I'm just going to go underneath my eye with a black eyeliner. And you are done! I hope you take the steps in this tutorial to create your own perfect eye look.